Hi guys. Okay, so today we're doing a different video. We're doing an Instagram giveaway. Actually, on all our social media platforms, our Instagram account, our Facebook, and our Twitter account, we are running the same competition. It's a one for all €100 voucher. Okay, so all you have to do is go onto our Instagram account, which is Exam Revision for you. So I'll just put the uh, handle here, and this for Twitter, for Instagram, and for Facebook. Exam Revision for you. So on Instagram, what's going to be is you have to just follow our page. You got to tag two friends in the comments, and then you got to share your our page to your story, and maybe mention like a feature that you like in our website. Maybe it's our videos, maybe it's our quizzes, maybe it's our reflective log, maybe it's a progress checker, maybe it's our PowerPoint presentations, whatever you think is the best feature of our website. Okay, again, I'll just put our Twitter handle there. So it's Exam Revision for you, and that'll get you to all our social media accounts. And the winner will be announced next week. Okay, so it'll be on the second of April, and we will announce the winner. So if you enter into Instagram, that'll be one. That'll be one time you'll be put into the hat. If you go onto our Twitter account and you retweet our Twitter post, then you go in twice. And if you go onto our Facebook and you share and like our post, then you'll go in 3 times. Okay, so you've got actually 3 chances of winning this €100 one for all voucher. So guys, please go onto our Instagram account and get involved in our giveaway. Thanks.